So now that I have Flex Beat, I think I'm gonna be getting rid of the SP404. It's going back tomorrow. SP404 is around 400, 500 bucks. Flex Beat, 39 bucks right now. 79 bucks, I guess, after the promo. But I get a lot more effects with this. I mean, it's budget friendly, and I can automate these effects or whatever else like that. So, and they'll stay with my projects. So, you know, yeah, the Roland SP404 Make 2 is going back tomorrow. All right. Baby, yeah, pretty dope. Definitely pretty dope. So let me run the 404, all right? Same beat. Baby, not as many effects. The same effects. You have a loop and flex beat. Well, to each his own. I prefer Flex Beat. I think it's just better in terms of value, flexibility. Well, like I said, the Roland SP404 will be going back to the stores. I will be getting refunded my money. Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Respect. One love.